Well, after days of trying to figure out how to make this center leg work on my R2D2, extract, retract, and extract and retract onto the 3-2 configuration, I finally figured it out, and this is what I came up with. Okay, here I have this is just power supply, 12 volts. I have no circuitry or anything done. Just this is going to be manual for now to test it. So we provide voltage to the power window motor to extract the center leg. Alright, and now we reverse the polarity on it to retract. And it is working like a charm. Right. Thanks so much for watching, and I will continue to work on this, and now we can move on.